and welcome to Crypto Gems. In today's video, I'm going to show you this exciting blockchain game named as Goldmand that you definitely need to check it out. All the links will be mentioned in the description box below. This video is not a financial advice. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose only, so please do your own research before investing. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe, and let's get into it. So this is the website of the Goldmand. You can access it by going to goldmand.io. As per the website, you can explore deep space with their game. The Metaverse is waiting for you. Choose a species, pick a planet and a suitable land and start mining. The big varieties for items and unique amulets. You can also click over here to check out their other social media platforms and stay connected with the community. If you want to play and earn from this game, just click over here and follow the prompts. It's a young team of 7 people with extensive experience in browser games. Part of the game has gained experience working for large companies where they have held responsible positions in game development, and the rest of the team has developed in the field of design and digital marketing. The senior developer has been working in the field of browser games since 2004. The creative director has over 10 years of experience in the design field, working with one of the biggest brands in the world. Goldmand team's long-term interest, experience and knowledge of games and their development, combined with our interest in cryptocurrencies, has created our common goal, namely the creation of play and earn game. So this is their white paper, and as per the white paper, Goldmand is a blockchain game on WAX developed by Fantasy NFT Limited play to earn format. This is not the game where the gameplay means clicking the mining buttons every hour. Player must monitor their resources depending on their race, assets or trade them with the other players. At Goldmand, players will immerse themselves in the role of an adventurous miner by crafting tools, mining on lands, creating an army of PvP stage of the game, and from this each player will contribute to developing a whole metaverse combining multiple unique in-game assets that can be tradable. So to start the game, each player of the Goldmand needs to create an account. The account will be linked to a wallet like Anchor or Cloud, from where the player will store his in-game assets and confirm transactions. Players can choose from 3 races to start playing game. There are 3 main resources that players are able to mine depending on their race: food, energy, minerals. It is important to take note that each race can only mine and produce one resource. In order for users to start playing Goldmand, they must have at least one tool for the game. These in-game tools can be purchased through their scheduled sales. Atomic Hub is also an alternative marketplace to purchase such tool and assets, and another way to acquire these items is through giveaways that are announced through various channels on Discord, Twitter and Instagram. So over here we have the tokenomics of the company, and as per the tokenomics, there are Goldmand, which has 4 tokens, GMD. This can be minted from all 3 mining resources: GME, GMM, GMF. The ratio is between 0.1 and 3% depending on the mining resources that are mined or burned. GMD will be tradable on Alcor and soon will be listed on PancakeSwap as well as game develop further, while they aim to bridge the Goldmand to Binance Smart Chain to reach a broader audience. The GMD token is the native currency of Goldmand, and there is a total max supply of these many coins. The total max supply of mining resources is approximately these many coins, but its supply is regulated by a burning mechanism of the game. It can deflate in specific time window depending on the gaming activity. Consumption of mining resources will depend on tools that players are going to mine with. On this table, you're going to find the kind of tokens that are needed and produced by each asset, and the main idea of this is that all races need each other race's token, and in this case the trade between the players is totally a must, and every race will produce only one of the 3 tokens. So let's quickly go over the story of this game. So the year is 2079, the year that changed people's life forever due to exploitation of the planet Earth, like overpopulation, deforestation, extermination of entire animal species, waste of water for GMO culture and overfishing in oceans lead to a time when global warming reaches its peak. This actually leads to unprecedented natural disaster that kill almost 90% of the plant and animal species on the planet, including humans. And just when the last drop of hope disappears, the end is near, a miracle happens. A super intelligent alien species, which call itself as the creators, come to help the few remaining humans to save themselves as well as save their planet Earth. They endow them with advanced technology to sustain their lives and help them rebuild the world. These specific bionic costumes made them super powerful and strong, but it also came with a price. Those life-sustaining suits require mineral and energy that could not be found on Earth. The creators, seeking the great greed and selfishness of the people, decided to punish them. In order to supply them with necessary minerals and energy, they forced them to produce food to exchange for them. They taught them how to coexist in harmony with all living organisms, plant and animal, and how to grow their food without ruining the environment. And so people began to develop and build their lives from scratch in a good way, even at the cost of hard physical labor. What they didn't know, however, was that the creator hid a secret technology in their costumes, third eye, which would be revealed to people only when they are ready for it. At the other end of the universe lived a very technologically advanced race called the Alvars. They were short, very hairy creatures with small eyes, big snouts. They are living on a planet called Trion in mega cities, technologically advanced to such an extent that they have enjoyed good life and prosperity. They extract their energy from giant trees called Malik. The trees grew all over the planet, however, they collected energy only in clear weather. The Alvars didn't like that, so they decided to build a plasma reactor that would generate a huge amount of energy, enough for them for thousands of years to come. When he was released, the unthinkable happened. A huge wave of gamma radiation traveled all around the planet. It was harmless to them but catastrophic to the planets. All the plants they used for food and energy slowly began to die. Another big problem with the reactor was that it needed crystals to work stably. Faced with the catastrophic, they sent signals for help into space. The creators intervened and delivered the much needed food and crystals. The creator watched another planet inhabited by strange creatures. These saviors were tall black creatures with huge teeth and eyes. They had tremendous power and a force that helped them dig huge tunnels underground in search for food. They fed on worms that lived underground. The only way to find them was to dig tunnels. The plant they lived on was called Vian. The planet was huge and one of the largest in the universe so far. The saviors were cold-blooded creatures that needed heat to maintain their body temperature. Vian could be very inhospitable with no vegetation or water on its surface, but it was very rich in crystals. With their help, the saviors made weapons to catch the worms, and just when they did not suspect anything, the creators appeared and showed them the power of the energy. They also gave them another kind of food that they really liked, and they soon began trading. Over time, these skilled miners came closer and closer to the crystal core of the planet. What they found there will change the whole galaxy forever. An artifact different from anything they have seen before. A massive black crystal that had the ability to transform into any known element in the universe. An object that could open intergalactic portals. They named it Goldmand after ancient deity. The three peaceful planets, unsuspecting of each other, would be forced to wage war over this precious crystal. They did not know that even without him, they were interconnected. People lived with the technology of Alvars. The Alvars ate the food produced by humans and the crystals from saviors. The saviors warmed themselves with the energy of Alvars. So that's a little story about this game around which the entire plot is based on. They also have some card collections over here which you can suit depending on which game you want to play for. So first and foremost, it is important to choose which race you want to play with. Then your choice should be on which ground you will dig. The third type of the card to choose from are the items that will help you in the challenges of the game. So we have characters over here, lands and items. Here is a roadmap of companies. So in the phase 1, the focus was on launching the website, pre-alpha D-app game, Telegram members 3000. We needed 3000 registered testers, users reward program, the bridge to Binance Smart Chain, Pancake Swap, and Atomic Club drops. The phase 2, the focus will be on social media marketing, beta D-app game, new features of the game, new exchanges and partnership, 50,000 registered players, Atomic Hub drop, CMC CoinGecko listing. In the phase 3, the focus will be on new planets, new races, new inventory items, new mechanics, fractions and attack other players, 100k registered players, atomic hub drops, and to own their own marketplace. In the phase 4, the focus would be on new resources, achievements, resource market, big atomic hub drops. In the phase 5, the focus will be on multiplayer alpha, and the phase 6 will be described in phase 3, which is coming soon. So essentially, Goldmand is a play and earn game which you can win crypto simply by being a part of the game. You can choose between 3 races, and with them you can also mine resources which you can trade with other players. They also have a marketplace over here known as Atomic Hub, where you can purchase their NFTs as well. All you need to do to get started is click login and connect to any of the wallets. Once you integrate the wallet, you can browse around, take a look at the NFT collections, and purchase the one of your choice. And this is the Twitter page of Goldmand. They currently have a following of 11.4k followers, which is pretty impressive. So that's really good, because the more popularity project like this gets, the more people would be interested and invested in it. They also have a Discord page over here where you can put your username and enter the chat, and over here you can interact with the community, see what's happening new in the system, and stay tuned with them. So if you're somebody who is interested in the world of Metaverse and you enjoy playing those games to earn cryptocurrencies, then Goldmand looks very promising and it is worth checking out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found this helpful. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe to watch more of such videos. All the links will be mentioned in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.